Hi everyone. In this video, I will let you know how to hide viewport border in AutoCAD 2025. Once we place the title block and we have this view and this viewport border is still showing. I don't want to show this border into my drawing. How we can hide this one? For that, click on layer properties, create new layer and give the name viewport. You can give any name and close. After this, select this view and click on viewport. So it is under viewport now. To hide this one, we have to click here on layer properties and simply we have to click on a freeze button here. You can see that the border is not showing into my drawing and you guys can print a very clean drawing in AutoCAD. Here, if I want to turn on the layer, you can see I can see. If I want to freeze, I cannot see the border. So in this way, you can hide the viewport border in AutoCAD.